It's Mother's Day 2009. Toby's on a lizard hunt. Do you see any lizzies, Toby? Do you see the lizzies? You do? Where are they? Where are they? You gonna get them? You gonna get them? Probably not, huh? They're pretty fast for you. Let's see what else we have here. There she is again. One more place to hunt the lizards. Right, Toby? Yes. Yes, where are you going? Where are you going? Come down, my mommy. Oh, come down. Come here. Oh, yes. You behave so well. No, don't jump from there. Come down the steps. Come here. Use the steps. Use the steps. Come down. Good girl. Come down. Use the steps. Oh, there's a lizard. That puts an end to that. We could spend the day here, but there must be others to be found. Happy Mother's Day, Toby.